Hi, I'm Dr. Anthony Mitchell, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your glasses when the lens falls out of your semi-rimless frames here, okay? All right, and then the easiest way to do this is you're going to need a tool that's like a little tiny ribbon like this. You can get these from like a craft store. You can also use like a string or fishing line. Fishing line is great too. Sometimes these ribbons come with the actual frame. It's that ribbon that came with it that you probably threw away because you're like, what the heck is this? But anyway, this is what we're going to use. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this lens and this frame and we're going to match the top with the top. And so the top of the frame and the top of the lens needs to connect. So you want to put the grooves to connect kind of like a puzzle, okay? And then once you've had that, this bottom part, it's still kind of hanging out here. So the little string is kind of hanging out here, and that is okay. That's what we want right now, okay? All right, next thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna kind of hold that in place. It's pretty easy, it kind of holds itself because of the sides. You're gonna take your ribbon that you got, and you're gonna put it over the little string that's kind of hanging there. And then once you've folded that over there, right? So we folded it over there. We're gonna take the string and go all the way to the temporal corner. So the very temporal part of the glasses, okay? And then you're gonna put the fishing line in the little grooves of the glasses, and we're gonna slide the ribbon all the way across to the nasal part, okay? So I'm gonna show you again with it together, but temporal sides where you're gonna start, you're gonna put the fishing line in, and you're gonna slide the fishing line all the way through the grooves until you get to the nasal part, okay? And then your glasses are connected. All right, the next step you wanna do, this is important, the next step is you're gonna take your fishing line or your little ribbon, you're gonna come down to the bottom here, and then you're just gonna pull it out, and then that's it. If you pull the ribbon out on the temporal of the nasal part, you're gonna get some of the string from the ribbon stuck in there, and it's kind of annoying to deal with. So annoying that you're gonna look at it and you're gonna be seeing pink stuff there, and you're gonna be like, man, I'm gonna have to start all over, because you will. You'll have to pop the lens out, take out the little thread, and then do this. Anyway, if you learned something new, consider subscribing or liking the video, and if you like sunglasses, consider giving me your email at the bottom in the description. Thank you for your time. Don't forget, go touch grass.